What's going on, everyone? We're back with a nice one today, all the way from Europe, Italy, Switzerland, all over the world. The Esteriore Brothers are here in the building. What's going on, fellas?
Ciao Frankie, ciao a tutti i siciliani del mondo.
So, dove di Sicilia siete, Vage? Where in Sicily are you guys from?
Palermo.
Palermo.
Provincia Palermo.
Ciminna,
Exactly, Ciminna.
A little town called Ciminna.
Minna già cosa viene a dire. So, I want to ask you guys something.
Yeah.
One, you guys are real four brothers?
Yes.
Yeah.
And how did this all start? Come ha cominciato? How did you guys get together and say,
Yes.
let's sing?
We do.
Music.
Start, Piero, you are the oldest.
We start because our parents, we speak English now, sometimes Italian. Our parents are musicians too, but they make music on the weekend. So just for fun. It was a passion for weddings, parties, birthday parties. So we start as little kids to go with them on stage, be entertained. The youngest is 20 years.
Oh,
behind.
wow.
So Amedeo is the youngest. Yeah, and now everybody's grew up. And we start to be as a family on stage, touring.
Still on stage
Yes.
as a family.
How many years now has this been going as a group?
Probably we started, like the first appearance we did 2014. Pierre was a solo artist before, and then he said, like, you know what, I have a nice show, why we not go with the brothers? We were smaller. I think I was
It was
14.
a TV, actually,
A TV show.
direct to a TV show.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Not on stage.
And
It was a TV
that
show.
was the first appearance, and then we realized it's kind of good concept, but then we had some family things going on that stopped us from doing music. But then 2019 we restarted again with going on TV again in Italy. We went for the first time on Italian television, Tu si che vales. I don't know if you know that show.
Maria
here.
Di Filippi.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's for Jerry Scotti. It's a famous talent show, and yeah. But then after that, again, Corona came. We had to stop, but everybody had his phone, so we started to have an idea and do some social media. And 2023 January, we went viral with a song called "Sarà perché ti amo."
Which I saw, which is amazing.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So, if you guys had to tell me, how many places, how many countries have you guys visited now? Quanto posti al mondo
I can
ferriato?
tell you exactly because I collect plates for the wall, like souvenirs, and I
Oh, un duplicare
li ho contati.
How
Non
many?
sono,
How many?
non sono tutti, ma sono arrivato a 35 piatti.
Yeah,
35 different cities.
yeah.
So Venezuela, Mexico, Egypt, all over the world.
Probably some missing because as we know where we've been with all the tickets, flights, and everything. Last year we did 60 destinations and 24 countries just last year.
And can we tell you something?
Of course.
The incredible thing is, all this happens with Italian classic music. The old Italian classic songs. Volare, Lasciatemi cantare, O Sole Mio, Sarà perché ti amo.
Yeah.
People love that
It
song.
hits home.
The
Yeah,
world
but
loved
back
that
to the
song.
family thing.
Yeah.
Our parents were singing those songs on all those parties.
Yeah.
So we grew up with those songs, singing with our parents, and then, like, when you say a circle that closes, we went viral with exactly those songs
yeah.
that our parents were singing for so many years,
Yeah.
and now we are traveling the world.
Because you've captured generations of parents and also the new generations that understand.
Yes.
And,
But I have to say,
it's another thing.
we didn't do it because we want to. We said, let's do social media. We were four voices, one guitar, and we do it for passion. Our Sundays, whatever we do with our parents, we do music. This is for us naturally. So it's crazy that then it went viral, and now we can call it our profession.
And then out of all these places, right? You said 35 posti.
Mhm.
Out of 35 different places, which was your favorite that you enjoyed?
Oh, this
So for,
this is
for
hard
me,
question.
straight, Caracas, Venezuela was crazy.
Yeah,
It was a theater. Huh?
yeah, it was
Come
nice.
si chiamava il teatro? Teresa Carreño.
Teresa Carreño, the
4,000
biggest, I
people.
think, one of the biggest South American
Yeah. Eppure
theater.
Pavarotti ha cantato lì.
Yeah,
With orchestra. We came there. Guys, we have rehearsal with the musicians. Orchestra. What? Okay, how many people? 76
elements.
people play on stage.
Wow.
Orchestra. Lasciatemi cantare. And also songs, the original songs, because we wrote also songs. And the incredible thing is, the real Italian, they are living not in Italy. They are living outside Italy.
I know there's a lot in
Because you
Switzerland.
really live the old school Italian. You have a 500 in your garage. If you go in Italy, you cannot find the old 500 in your garage. They have
Really?
Honda.
You keep the culture
You keep the
alive.
culture
Right.
Yeah.
And as we travel the world singing those songs, and as we don't reach only talents, is something we need to say. Our community is based on tourists that just love Italy. And if there's one thing that everybody thinks of Italy is,
Do cannolo mi è rimasto qua.
it's
Hai
like
il cannolo tanta così. Che mi è
the
rimasto-
best thing ever. No, one thing that we realize is
Ce l'ho l'acqua.
that family, what we are doing, people love. For us, it was always natural because we are brothers. But as soon we went out in the world and showing that this union of being together as a family and having fun as a family
Yes.
and let's say work as a family, we bring back those values. And outside of Italy, we feel more and more that the Italians outside are really living by that, by those values. And this is important to say. And we hope that in Europe, in Italy, these values come more again.
Come back.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, like we were talking upstairs, I feel like, a lot of people outside of Italy, are the ones that keeping that tradition alive.
100%.
Italy today, it's still a beautiful land, but it's evolved. Everything is different. But to a lot of Italians who still live in Italy, they think either A, we make fun of them, or what we're doing is chiacchierate, they say, right?
Yeah.
So what are your feelings on that? Do you think that what you see people in Australia or people in America or people not in Italy doing these type of things, is it bad? Is it a bad thing?
No. Come on. I mean, every country, every talents in different countries has a different type of enjoying their culture. I mean, this is years and years of generations that goes on and on and on. I mean, in our little town, Cimina, if you go 10 minutes drive, they talk differently. They have
Right.
a different accent. They have a different dialect. So imagine going to the other side of the ocean. Like I think it's kind of normal, and we should appreciate every kind of Italian all over the world.
And we appreciate especially what you guys do. When I first discovered you guys a couple of years ago, it brought me back to my times. I thought about my grandparents with the musics and the songs, and it's just something that will never die. It's like here in America, we say freestyle never dies. It's a type of songs. I feel like in Italy, the nostalgia you guys sing will never die. No. And I think you guys are doing a great thing for everybody all over the world, and I appreciate that. And I don't want to see you guys ever stop. Right?
Thank you so much. Thank you. You too.
This is peanuts. What you guys do, you guys have to perform in front of people, which leads to my next question. When you get in front of people, right, and you've done this millions of times, do you guys still get like nervous, nervoso? Do you guys still think about, oh my God, or now it's like, it's every time it's...
That's always.
You have to.
Yes, when I know it, that oh no. When I start a concert, I know it. Allora dico, the concert go 2 hour, I make a photo, I make pictures. Mi fa nervoso più quando vado a mangiare poi.
Really?
Yes.
La
this is-
domanda, no? Quando è che posso andare a mangiare?
Il corpo, the physical.
Needs
You go in
energy.
an emotion. It's important, and you eat not before. You don't drink too much. You don't make this. You don't sleep poco. Devi avere perché l'emozione, emotion, perché il nervosismo, l'emozione sono è un filo molto vicino. È quello che ti tiene in balance l'artista. When you make the showtime from the people, but this is the emotion che fa il nervosismo. Però stando un po' insieme, all together,
You're
I
not
can,
alone.
I can
Look left, right. There's a brother.
One helps the
condiviamo.
other.
Yeah.
If you will be alone, it's
you
different.
can a little bit give this the energy and a little bit
Ma anche veniamo dalle piazze, so we started singing on the
Spontaneous.
streets.
Right.
This is, I think, street performers know about that, but this is hard because you need to attract people in a short time, and you are outside. You're just
Without microphone,
people
without
maybe don't know you, they don't see you, they don't hear you right, but you are there and try to. And then when we realized at the piazzas we really attract a lot of people, we understood that that's fun. That's
well
really
as
fun.
you can do in this piazza. This is spontaneous, but the guitar is here. With now I can do Gabriele. I play a song for this guy. No, okay, come in another situation, and then make this. No, yes, this is the emotion. Capito? Allora, prendi la chitarra, suoniamoci una canzone al nostro.
Facciamo una canzone.
Facciamo una canzone,
vai.
dai.
All right.
We show you like this is how it started. It's basically the same
Spontaneo.
setup on a
No,
couch.
spontaneo.
So we started on a couch. It was in his hair salon, and I came late from my work I was doing. I said, "Hey, I have an idea for a video. Sarà perché ti amo. Just sing it. Let's just sing it." And we were sitting all on a couch, like that. Just Piero is there now. Maybe come over. Does he has? Is he in the camera?
Yeah. Oh, if he comes in, no.
No. Okay.
Oh, stati là.
Avete capito qual è?
La lasciatemi cantare. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lasciatemi cantare con la chitarra in mano. Lasciatemi cantare una canzone piano piano. Lasciatemi cantare perché ne sono fiero. Sono un italiano, voglio un siciliano vero.
Poi, let's go crazy.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lasciatemi cantare perché ne sono fiero. Sono un siciliano. Italian siciliano do it better, tu lo sai?
Sì.
Siciliano vero.
Wow.
Eh!
That was awesome, guys. That was awesome.
Questo era un momento,
How we do
un
on the
momento
piazza.
che volevo dire, no?
Un momento, mi hai visto rezzare le garnica.
Allora tu certe cose le puoi spiegare, ora l'hai
Can
sentita
you
pure
imagine?
tu.
Mimo, raccontaci.
Ora tu l'hai sentita pure special.
Live,
This is for you, no? And this is the moment where they can do it nervoso, no?
Che ti fa emozionare.
Dare l'emozione spontanea. E così succede sulle piazze.
We went with a camper, friend, or a bus. We drive to Parigi. Paris. We just look out of the window. Oh man, here's the metro. There's a lot of people over there. Let's go out.
So
with the
nothing was
guitar.
planned. You just
we crash. We crash
One
the
video that you see is
yeah. We go downstairs from the stairs in the metro in Paris. Let's crash quickly with 2 songs, and then we again go back to the car and drive away. The people went crazy. It was so funny, and it was always Italian music, always the famous one, the classic one, Italian music, and we want to bring this vibe back to the big stage. That's why we are coming to do some shows. We are working now with Viva Avanti. It's an agency from Canada. We are coming back in September, and that's why we are promoting the shows to let the Italian people know, hey, the Italian music is not died. The Italian music is still here. We have to give them again, come si dice?
Spicy.
Oh, leave it.
Explosion.
Po' di pepe.
in
peperoncino.
Germany they call us like the Italo pop, they like back in time, but with new energy, new power. So they changed it into Italo power, and this is
That's cool.
basically what we could say.
Frankie said
Defining us.
before that Italian makes fun of
Italian Americanos.
Italian Americanos. People makes fun also of us in Italy because they're what you are singing Sala perché ti amo, volare.
Yeah,
That's old school. Oh, come on. Make rap, make something new, urban music, you know. But you know what? The whole world wants
Knows.
to hear exactly this, and thanks God because
Piero, there was a guy on Tusi che Vales, and this is so funny because we were singing an old classic Italian song, and this guy is a presenter and also a music producer in Italy, and he said to us on TV, he
Says,
said like,
like an asshole.
yeah, he said like directly,
I don't like
you
him.
know, guys, you're old school.
You're
too old school.
Like fate polvere
Yeah, you're like wishing the dust away.
on the TV,
Yeah.
on the screen, on the you know.
So facciamo questo, diamo le camere, allo conto di 3 ci diciamo asshole, ready? 1, 2, 3, asshole!
No, and you know what I mean. And 2 years later, 3 years later, no, 2 years later, we got viral with exactly those songs.
Yeah.
And there's a message behind that nobody can tell you what is right, what is wrong. But if you put emotions in it, if you put really hard work, because we have to say to get to a certain, a lot of people call this success. For us, is still unbelievable what we are doing.
Absolutely.
We are here in New York, and we can tell you that we are gonna sing in Brooklyn in September. It's crazy.
We are sitting in a couch.
Yeah, and for
again.
me, it's like you guys are in my house.
Yeah, you know what I mean. So it's important that people understand that with hard work and a goal, a vision, with a good strategy, you can make it, and that's why we are here too. So we spread that message
I
to
think
the young.
we give Frank
Yeah, we need to
a
sign
nice
it.
card because it will be an honor to be somewhere
On
on,
the wall
this
here.
beautiful
So,
wall.
se non metto Gabuletto, Gabuzzalo. No, yes, that would be an honor to have you guys. on the
Questo
wall.
lo dobbiamo fare, dobbiamo lasciare un ricordo qua.
So I have a funny question for you guys.
Yes.
I want to know, and I'll do it one by one. So the first question is, who is the most serious? Sque o più serio?
Tu cosa pensi?
Yeah. What do you think?
Maybe Mimmo.
Mimmo è più serio?
O può essere che stanco a camore. La seconda è, who is the funniest? La terza è, who takes longer to get ready?
Oh, okay.
Gabriele.
I think this most serious is maybe Gabriele.
Yes,
Him?
He's calm. He's more.
yes, Gabriele.
Who takes the longest to get ready?
Sempre Gabriele.
Oh, Gabriele o Mimmo? No, Mimmo.
No.
Mimmo, no.
Io sono
No, I have
pronto.
long hair now. Maybe that's why I take a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Parlato.
And what was the second one?
Who is the funniest?
Gabriele.
No, I think So Mimo, a lot of people
Lasciatemi
say
in pace,
If you
ora,
look
per
at his
favore.
channel, is
he's comedian.
he's a comedian.
No,
You don't know if he's comedian or he sings, but
I'm serious. Abbiamo detto che io facevo il serio ora.
No, ma ti sei proprio svenduto adesso.
Tu a me...
Oh,
dire-
prossima domanda.
Prossima domanda.
A chi piace mangiare?
What was something people would be surprised to learn of you guys as a group?
chi è innamorato e chi si sta lasciando, chi si sta prendendo. Quello penso che da noi 4 ragazzi, perché veniamo seguiti dalle ragazze, no?
yeah.
L'inglese ora, dell'inglese.
I want to say this is probably something that a lot of people will surprise to know who is single, who is not, and goes through whatever. So
Quello è quello che forse
he
interessa.
thinks this is maybe
Maybe, I think this.
That people don't think you really
a
sing?
lot of people don't know that we are 4 real brothers from the same father and same mother. This is something that is I think the most question that we get is exactly that.
Are you really 4 brothers?
For the same dad, same mom.
That was my first question, right?
Really?
yeah.
Yes.
But we are also really completely different. Nobody's the same like the other.
Yeah.
Now, married, girlfriends, kids.
I have 3 kids, so now he's enjoy. He's Mimo enjoy when I talk
You
about.
can do in what you want. You can do what you want. I don't make in my private life.
Public.
I don't make nothing.
Bravo.
When I start this this project, I did my brother listen to me.
Listen to
I
me.
can make this,
50.
but only me. You see me? You can make for me the question 360 great on the me. But I rest private life outside from this life. But
Beautiful.
tu non sai mai, you don't say what's going on. The people were stalking. You have this, you have the now I'm a better imagination when you're doing a social media or you start sport, you start what you want to start. For me, it's better to make this and not
To separate.
Separate.
when you go in your private life a little bit, you have a private moment for you. Se no diventa poi, capito?
Public.
You need,
Tu hai
you need
capito, devo dire.
to, you need to handle it well.
Right. So my real question was, everybody has, I don't know, maybe wife, girlfriend, whatever it is, private life. How do you balance this and that? And, because some things are priority, right? Now, you guys just came from Switzerland.
Yeah.
Today you're here. Tomorrow you maybe Canada. Then you're back in Mexico. So when do you, how do you juggle life?
It's all about money. If we are honest. No, when your kids or your wife or you are always traveling, you have to make sure that they have some spiritually in the pocket.
Right.
If they have money, you can go. When the money is finished, you have to come back home. You know what I mean? No, I think the balance is between us first, as a team, as a family, respect
bonds.
each other, respect that your situation. Everybody has another situation, but it's always the same. Everybody have to take care the family and the private life. This is a showtime music, but our parents, we grew up with to be on showtime every week. So for us, this is normal to do music, to go on stage on a weekend. So it's
You need
it's like a religion.
supportive
Yeah.
background.
Right.
So supportive wife. So they believe in what you are doing, and the trust is very important.
In your pocket.
In the end, it's a in the end it's a job. In the end, it's a job.
It's a
And
job.
I think
Vero, Mike?
thanks to everybody gets used to it. Over time, everybody in the family gets used to it. This is now our life. It is special, we can say it's a privilege what we can do, and I think everybody around us gets used to it too. But also the time where we've been really a long time away, so much away, we did that part, the hustle part. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think you understand what I mean. Now we are more where you need to plan, because if you don't plan, you want to do that long term. You know, you see something, a career should be long term.
But does the hustle ever really stop? Because you always try to get stronger.
No, the
and
hustle,
bigger.
the hustle changes, never stops. If you stop hustling, you stop believing in what you're doing.
Right.
But the type of hustle is changing, and you need to accept also that, because it's important that you find a balance with yourself and the balance also what is your goal, and you can't be all the time hustling something but not having a long-term plan.
Now I got one more question before I would like to hear some more music, if you guys don't mind.
Yeah.
Is what inspired you outside of your parents? Because obviously it's family business that always did this. What singer inspired you guys to stay in this old music and memories? If you had to pick a singer,
Adriano Celentano.
my favorite, number one,
Lucio
Beh.
Battisti.
Lucio Battista.
A me mi piace Vasco Rossi, Antonio Venditti, Marco Masini, Eros
Bella strozza.
Ramazzotti, cioè
Perché
i
lo
classici, belle canzoni che sono cresciuto. This is important, perché siamo cresciuti con quelle canzoni.
So many.
Allora ci siamo portati quelle canzoni. Forse possiamo fare pure un incontro qualche giorno con questi cantanti, ed è quella un'emozione che ho di più. Quando vedo un cantante che mi ricorda la canzone da piccolo, lo vedo davanti, and I have the emotion, perché dico, mamma mia, this song la cantavo sempre, ora this guy is here, and I have...
Allora, posso dire pure io qualcosa.
Per me questo qua è un po' quello.
That's-
For me, the inspire was our father and mother. That was the first singer that I met, because I was little. They made a rehearsal 3 times in a week on the basement from the house in Cantina, and the whole night. And then at the weekend, was sleeping behind the backstage and hear the same songs, you know.
So it stays in your memory.
E lui cantava
Of
Celentano.
course, they
Lucio
changed also the song. Yeah, we need to do promotion per papà. Lui pure cambiava repertorio. Non è che faceva solo le canzoni. He also did the new songs. You know, they went with time. But there's a picture on our website
Yeah.
where you can see our parents as us 4 brothers all on stage. It was like a wedding, but we were singing and playing instruments, and on the website you can see exactly the picture. And this is like the biggest picture on our website is that picture, because it should
wow.
remind us and everybody that follows us that we come from genuine family music, and this is what we want to
Keep alive.
selling. Yeah,
Yeah.
we want to keep that alive.
Yeah, growing up, crescendo con miei genitori erano nati a Sicilia. Andrea Celentano, Toto Codugno, Riccardo Concianti. So for me, if someone says, "Hey, which new canzoni italiane ti piacciono?" 9? Fammi sapere una antica. I love it.
Yeah, because then you see also La Nonna. I mean, we love
It's the
seeing
emotion
nonnas
again.
too.
It's the
It's everything.
Yeah.
But what is beautiful to see if the older generation comes together with the young generation, and what we see in our concerts, and you're gonna see it also in Brooklyn and all the other places, Chicago, Montreal, Toronto, is that the older generation
Windsor.
connects, and Windsor, yeah, older generation connects with the young generation, and they're gonna have a great night with us together, and this is beautiful to see. That La Nonna goes again to the concerts con la nipote. You know what I mean?
yeah.
You combine, like us, we are 2 generations, but we are on stage together. Who cares about generation if the moment and the feeling is countless, you know?
So, guys, um, September 11th. September 11th at 8 o'clock in King's Theater, Brooklyn. These guys are going to be here. They're going to crush it. Bring your grandparents. Bring your parents. It's going to be amazing.
Frankie and Mikey on the first line, for sure.
We'll be the bodyguards of these guys right here.
Yes.
But you guys are going to Canada, Chicago. Where else?
Toronto, Montreal, Windsor. We're gonna have Chicago and Brooklyn so far. Yeah.
Amazing, guys. I can't wait to see you guys. I'm so happy you guys came.
Thank you for having us.
I
Thank
can't
you
tell you
very
how
much.
excited I am. This has been amazing. Can we hear some music?
Yes.
All right, guys, let's do
Most
it.
virus.
Also, ze stof. Oh, dat is voor snap ik het. Ze stof toch niet dan.
C'è la luna mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma dare. Figlia mia, cuda dare, mamma mia, pensarci tu. Se ci rugno pizzaiolo, il va, il vede sempre pizza in mano te. Se ci pia la fantasia, pizzuria, figliuzza mia. Poi mamma, me voglio maritare. Poi mamma, me voglio maritare. Poi mamma, me voglio maritare. Figlia mia, cotta dare, mamma mia, pensarci tu.
Tante salute dall'Argentina.
Grazie.
Argentina!
Vai, facciamo una.
Che confusione, sarà perché ti amo, è un'emozione che cresce piano piano, stringimi forte e stammi più vicino, se ci sto bene, sarà perché ti amo e vola vola si sa, sempre più in alto si va e vola vola con me, il mondo è matto perché se l'amore non c'è, basta una sola canzone per far confusione fuori e dentro di te.
Ciao Brooklyn, a presto.
September 11, guys.
September 11.